How to get last year's AGI from H&R Block. Follow my instructions. To get your AGI from last year using H&R Block, first go to hrblock.com and sign in with the same account you used for your 2024 tax return. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Tax History, Documents or My Taxes. This is where your past tax returns are stored. Select the return for tax year 2024. You can open it as a PDF or view it online. Your adjusted gross income AGI will be listed on Form 1040 line 11. If you used H&R Block's desktop software, open the app on your computer and load your saved.tax file from last year. Once it's open, go to the return summary or navigate directly to the 1040 form. Again, look at line 11 to find your AGI. Still can't find it? You can use H&R Block's account recovery options to regain access, or call their support line for help retrieving your AGI. When e-filing your 2025 return, enter the AGI exactly as it appears from your 2024 return. This step is required by the IRS to confirm your identity and prevent errors or rejections during filing. Thanks for watching.